student, this is Pratibha Singh again with you from Shivrit Singh Children Academy. Student, in this video we will complete with proper use of capital letter. The proper use of capital letter. So without being delay, let's start the topic. Now the point number 7, capital letter to begin the name of language, nationalities, races means जाति, name of countries, name of continents. Have a look how. Name of languages, Hindi, as will be capital in Hindi, English, German, that is Indian, American, Pakistani, Afghanistani, etc. Next, name of country, India, China, Bangladesh, etc. Means we use first letter capital to begin the name of languages, the name of nationalities, the name of countries, of continents, Asia, etc. Asia, Africa, Europe, etc. Now the next point. Point number 8. We use first letter capital to begin name of religion, the name of religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Buddhist. So you use first letter capital with the name of religion. Next is we use first letter capital to begin the name of school, colleges, institutions, business centers, etc. Houses, political parties, etc. You will take here Islam, and you can take the related things also, means Quran, Gita, Bible. It's also you will take, means Islam, Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, etc. And you can take and the first letter of religious things also will be capital. Just like the Gita, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Bible, etc. The Bible. And the first letter will be capital with the name of school, colleges, institutions, business points, houses, political parties, etc. Means what is the name of your school? Shivrat Singh Children Academy. So S will be capital in Shivrat. Then Singh. So again S will be capital in Singh. Shivrat Singh. Children. C will be capital. And then Academy. A will be capital. Academy. I hope you have understood. Now have a look at the next one. Number 9. You can use first letter capital to begin the names of famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal. So in Taj Mahal, T will be capital. The Taj Mahal, the Charminar, the Charminar, the Fatehpur, the Buland Darwaza, the Qutub Minar, the Gateway of India, the India Gate, etc. And you use first letter capital with the name of trains, the name of newspapers, the name of ships, the name of brands. Have a look. Frame, pages, Himgiri, Shatabdi Express, Rajdhani Express, etc. The name of newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindus, etc. Ship, Vikram, brand name Hero, LG, Pepsi, etc. I hope there is no any problem in this. Number 10. We use capital letter To begin, the official names of government departments the title of high-ranking official sects. For example, the Prime Minister, the President, the Ministry of Finance. Have a look again. We use first letter capital to begin the official name of government department. Means the Ministry of Finance, the Ministry of Ayush, the Ministry of Agriculture, etc. And fifth, the title of high-ranking official sects means the President, the Home Minister, the Prime Minister, etc. I hope you have understand very well these all 10 points. If you have